proceed with the volume of a cone. So first, let us define the meaning of cone. Everyone, kindly read the meaning.
A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape with a flat circular base and a curved surface that narrows smoothly to a single point called the vertex or apex.
Okay, so this is the figure of a cone. So the parts of a cone, we have the base. Ang base daw niya ay anak circular base. Meaning, circle ang base niya. The best example of cone is the birthday hat. Nakakita na kayo ng birthday hat? Diba? Yung pinaka-ilalim niya ay shape siya na circle na kasya sa ating ulo. We have also the apex or what we call the vertex. Kung yung pyramid may apex, meron din ang cone. Apex or what we call the vertex. That is the figure of a cone. So this time, proceed tayo anak sa parts. Parts of a cone. Okay, we're going to dissect the given cone. Ito yung itsura niya. So ito yung pinaka-base niya, circle talaga. And then yung body ng cone ay ito po, para siyang triangle. Then kapag binilog mo siya dun sa mismong circle, makakabuo na tayo ng cone. Okay, these are the parts. Meron tayong simula sa apex, papunta sa center, H. And then dito naman, simula sa center, papunta sa edge ng circle, R. And then meron din tayong small letter, H. Okay, let us define the meaning of the parts of the given cone. First is R, or what we call the radius. When we say radius, the distance, anak, distance from the center, simula dito, papunta sa edge ng circle. Okay, so ito yung distance niya. Simula sa center, papunta sa edge, that is the radius. Okay, the second part is the small letter H, the height. Okay, height, the perpendicular distance from the base. From the center, anak, simula sa center ng base hanggang sa apex or sa vertex. That is the height of the cone. And the last part is the slant height. Yung slant height naman, ang pinagkaiba niya sa height, yung slant height, simula sa apex, papunta naman sa edge, sa mismong circle. Kapag height, simula sa apex, papunta sa center ng circle. Do you understand? So, these are the three parts of a cone. We have the radius, the height, and the slant height. Now, this time, let us proceed on how to derive the formula in finding the volume of a cone. So, meaning, anak, so this is the figure of a cylinder, and this is the figure of a cone. Parang katulad siya, anak, sa rectangular prism and sa triangular pyramid. Noong last topic natin, di ba? Ang rectangular prism ay tatlong puno ng triangular pyramid. Okay, di ba nakaraan merong triangular pyramid, nilagyan ng tubig? Then, binuhos doon sa rectangular prism. Nakailang refill? Tatlo. Kaya yung formula nun ay dinivide din kay 3 or minultiply sa 1/3. Ganun din po ito. So, ang equivalent ng tatlong cone ay isang cylinder. Now, to find the volume of a cone, just divide the formula by 3. So, just divide the formula to find the volume of a cylinder. I-divide lang siya kay 3. Kasi ang isang cylinder ay katumbas na tatlong cone. So, this is the formula to find the volume of a cone. Okay, ito po yung kay cone. Volume is equal to 1/3 times pi times r squared times I. Saan po yung nanggaling yung formula na yan? Dito po, sa formula to find the volume of a cylinder. Kasi cone ay 1/3 lang ng cylinder. So that is the formula. So this is the formula to find the volume of a cone. Volume is equal to 1/3 times pi, which is 3.14. Times the radius, ito po yun, times the height of the cone. Any question?